Good morning. It is a beautiful day here in West Tennessee. I hope that you're having equally good weather. It's very welcome after a few cool days. You Harbor Freight fans, it's day 9, so you still got time to partake in some of the great savings going on. I want to share a few with you, and if you'll stay to the end of the video, a special surprise. All right, as promised, here's those deals. This is deals of day 9. I hope you've had some success with deals 1 through 8. There has been some really good deals. Today is a couple of nice jack deals. We've got the 4-ton Daytona Professional floor jack with the Rapid Pump, and we have the 2-ton Pittsburgh low profile floor jack with Rapid Pump. Sneak peek of tomorrow, you're going to have 35% off all Badland winches, so that's going to be a good deal coming up. This Daytona 4-ton professional floor jack with Rapid Pump, it's going to come in the blue. It's normally $269.99, but as you can see from the sale, it is $159.99. That's $110 off. It may have been cheaper in the last year, but I can't tell you when that was. And I'm convinced that the 2-ton absolutely wasn't. So that 4-ton comes in at 4.8 stars. Our fellow Harbor Freight enthusiasts find this jack very useful, and very few of them are getting returned. The second one is that Pittsburgh 2-ton low profile jack with Rapid Pump. It's coming in at $83.99, a full $56 off. This is today, Saturday, May 9th only. This jack also has superior ratings at 4.7 out of 5 stars. 96% of us that have bought it said that they would keep it. So it's a very good value. I mentioned I was going to give you that surprise. Just trying to keep you entertained a little bit. The free gift this weekend. So today and tomorrow you can still partake. This is for ITC members here. It says you can get that Bunker Hill ammo box, the moving blanket, or the Icon socket adapters for free. And everyone else, you can get it with a $34.99 purchase. If you buy one of those jacks, not a problem. And that's showing the free gift again for the super coupon. So if you're not a member, remember to take one of these or take a picture of this one or something, because they do want to scan it. And of course, for the Inside Track Club, you do not have to carry a coupon. You're automatically enrolled as soon as they scan the item. And just to give you an idea of what they are, that's that Franklin Blue 72 by 80. This is a nice thick blanket. It's not that cheap little black one. This is a nice thick blanket, very useful. The ammo boxes are $5.99 normally. That's also obviously a free deal, so it's good value. These things are super handy for pretty much anything. I use mine for ammunition. I just have a box per ammunition. And then these socket adapters, of course, they're Icon brand. They are a outstanding deal for free. But even if you spend the $34.99, get something that is going to be useful to you, why wouldn't you want to pick this up? So remember to take your super coupon. And you Inside Track Club members, remember that is a free gift with any purchase. So I hope you found this valuable and that you're able to get out to the store today, pick up your free gift, and maybe partake of some of the ITC deals and or the deal of the day. And if you want to look at those ITC deals or super coupons, jump over to some of my other videos and you should be able to find them pretty easy. I've went over very many of the items. I hope you'll like and subscribe so I can keep putting out this content. And until the next video, y'all take care.